Hi there, I am Maya Shasakati, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Bluebeam.
And I'm Emily Loja. I'm a Product Manager here at Bluebeam.
Thank you so much for your interest in potentially piloting Bluebeam drawings. In this video, we'll dive into what drawings is to show you really what it's all about. Below this video on the webpage is an explanation of some of the project qualifications we're looking for in potential pilot participating projects. You'll also find next steps on how to apply your project to the pilot if you so choose. But in brief, drawings is going to quickly optimize and distribute your project information to the field, really unlocking mobility with new ways to easily share drawings with anyone, anywhere, on any device, all integrated into your studio project for that continuous work within one application. As you can see on Emily's screen already, it all starts where you're already working in Review in your studio project. For those who may not be as familiar, Studio Projects provides a centralized location to store your project information, even entire building sets in the cloud. So if Projects is already where you're completing your document management tasks, think of drawings as a new aspect of projects that really extends that document management into the field. And I'll hand it over to Emily now to show you what drawings looks like, and I'll be asking her a few questions along the way.
Thanks, Maya. So as Maya mentioned, drawings is integrated directly into your studio project. Previously, when I opened my project, I would immediately see all of my files, but now I will have multiple sections. The first section is Documents. Documents is where I'll keep my working files, whether those are plans, RFIs, spec sheets, or other important documents. I'll also still be able to see my folder structure that I previously created to keep my files organized. The second section is Drawings. This is where I'm going to upload files that are ready to be distributed to the field for optimized viewing on mobile devices. I'm going to upload some drawings from my computer. When I press upload, my files will start processing. I don't have to sit and wait to see when my files are done. I can continue working in my project or leave my computer and I'll receive an email once they're ready.
So Emily, I know that there's a lot happening in the background with that automatic processor really optimizing those drawings for the field. What kinds of things is that processor pulling out?
Well, the system is automatically splitting pages if you upload a multi-page PDF, and it's OCRing the document and finding the sheet name, number, discipline, and version. Once you review and publish your files, the system also automatically finds and places sheet links on your drawings. When my files are ready, I will receive this email directing me to our new web application where I can review and publish my files. But before we do that, I'll take you on a little tour of the web. When I open the web application, I will sign in with my Bluebeam Studio credentials, just like I would in Review. After logging in, I'll see a list of my studio projects, which I can filter by All, My Projects, or Attending Projects. I can also choose to join or create a new project. I'll open the Airport Expansion project, which is the one I uploaded files to. When I click into the project, I'll see this dashboard. As mentioned, during processing, the system extracts the discipline of your sheets, allowing us to organize your drawings, as well as show your document folders and files. With this dashboard, you will be able to quickly access the information that is most relevant to you. Just like Review, here on the web, you're going to see the new drawing section, as well as the document section. The information in these sections is the same information that you see in Review, just accessed via the web instead. I'll enter the drawing section so that we can publish those files that I uploaded through Review. I see that there is a notification next to the For Review tab indicating that my files are ready. Here I can see all of my uploads and click Review and Publish on the batch that is complete. the system has identified my drawing number, my drawing name, as well as my discipline, which we are basing off of the sheet number using AIA standards. So if the system identifies my drawing as A1.2.2, it will automatically be labeled as having a discipline of architectural. This zoomed in thumbnail shows me exactly where the system found my sheet information. I can click on the thumbnail to open a larger preview of my drawing to clarify that the system identified my sheet information correctly. I also see here that it says updated version of A1.2.2. What this means is that there is already a drawing with the same sheet number in my project, so the system has identified it as a new revision. Once I publish my drawings, this new version will automatically be slip sheeted on top of the old version. Lastly, I want to do a bulk edit of my drawings so that I can add a revision tag of ASI1 and an issue date. As soon as I'm done reviewing the information, I can publish my sheets and they will be distributed to everyone in my project. I can also upload drawings on the web. On the web, I can choose to select PDFs from my computer, or I can copy over a PDF from my project documents.
So, Emily, when I was first exposed to drawings, I was a little confused about the where those drawings come from. So, to clarify, when drawings are uploaded from review for processing, those drawings are actually being copied from your Studio Projects Documents section into the Studio Projects Drawings section, so that those drawings can really remain your working set that are in the Documents section, and that working set remains intact, and then only the field-ready information goes to the drawing section, right?
Exactly. We're providing a place for you to keep your working set, which is in Documents, as well as a place to copy those files when they are ready for construction. So I'll select my architectural sheets that exist in my project. Once I add those files, I'll go through the same steps that we went through previously. My files will be processed, and I will receive an email once the files are complete and ready for review. When I have published my drawings, I will see them all here. I can sort them as well as filter them down by discipline to find those sheets that are most relevant to me at any time. If I want to view more detail, I can go to the list view, where I will be able to see more information, such as the revision tag and the date the drawing was published. If I forgot to add information, I can edit my drawings after they have been published by clicking on this edit icon. I can then change the information and click Save. Now that I have published and updated my drawings, I'll click on one to view. When I open the drawing, I can navigate to the next and previous sheet, as well as zoom and pan around. If I want to view a previous version of my drawing, I can select the version history icon on the bottom right. When I zoom into a specific area, it will actually keep my zoom level when I switch between versions so that I can easily compare to see if a change has occurred. I can also see that the system has identified and placed sheet links on my drawing. When I select the blue highlight, I can see that this is a sheet link and its destination is A705. When I click View, I'll be taken to that destination and can continue navigating my drawing set from there. I can place other links on my drawing by using the link tool and selecting the area that I wish to place the link. I can choose to create a sheet link, a document link, or a web link. I'm going to place a document link and link to a spec sheet for some gypsum board. After I place that link, I can update its information, move it if I placed it incorrectly, or choose to delete it. Another area within drawings is the drawing log. And the drawing log provides a historical record of what sheets have been added to the project and when they were published. I can choose to show only the latest version or export my drawing log as a CSV file. The document section will have the same folders and files that were in review. On the web, I can also choose to create a new folder or upload additional documents. From here, I can choose to download a copy of my file, open it in review, rename, move, copy, or delete the file, or I can share a link to the file.
So as a project administrator here, we've kind of seen this process of uploading information from your studio project, processing and reviewing it. This is primarily that project manager, project engineer role, and that, again, that process of providing information for consumption in the field. But everyone listening in to this video probably has project partners like subcontractors who are consumers of that information in the field. Well, they can use drawings quickly and easily from any location and any device to really consume and view that drawing information. So let's see what it looks like from the viewing perspective.
Yeah, that's a great point. I'm going to sign out of this account and sign in to an account that has been invited to this project. Just like before, I will sign in with my Bluebeam Studio credentials, and I will see a list of my projects. Once I click into the airport expansion project, I'll use the dashboard to quickly navigate to the architectural sheets that were previously uploaded to the project. You may see that I don't have the Upload Drawings button or the For Review tab. This is because I was not given permissions to upload new drawings to the project. I also don't see the Edit button for my drawings because I don't have the ability to edit my drawing information. However, I am still able to view and navigate my drawings. I see that there is a view only notice at the top, so I also know that I don't have the ability to make any changes. I can still navigate to previous revisions to easily compare changes that have been made, and I can also access the links that were found previously. The only difference here is that I don't have the ability to edit the link destination.
So that's the view-only experience on the web, but most oftentimes, especially in the field, it's going to be really viewing from a mobile device. So what is that drawings experience on mobile?
Yeah, that's a great point. Let me switch over to my mobile application here and give me a second to get set up. So as you can see, this is the Drawings Pilot application, and it is available on both iOS and Android and looks like any other app on your phone. Just like in Review and on the web, I would sign in with my Bluebeam Studio credentials. And here I have projects in the cloud and projects on my device. After I download a project, It doesn't matter if I am in and out of Wi-Fi areas, it will be available completely offline. When I open the project, I will immediately see if there are updates available and will be able to download those updates. For the purpose of this demo, I will go ahead and skip downloading these new files. When I enter a project, I will see a similar dashboard that we saw on the web, allowing me to quickly access the drawings that are most relevant to me. I'll choose to view all of my drawings so that I can see everything that has been published. I can then filter my drawings down by discipline, or I can search for a drawing by drawing number or drawing name. So when I enter first floor, I will only see those related drawings. I can also choose to switch to a list view if I prefer. To view a drawing, I will simply click on its thumbnail. I can easily swipe to view the next and previous drawing, and I can use pinch or double tap to zoom. Just like on the web, on mobile, I can view previous revisions by clicking on the version history icon on the top right. If I want to compare a specific area, I would zoom in and switch between versions, keeping my zoom level to see if a change has occurred. I can also see the links that were created on my drawing and easily navigate to that link destination.
So that's Bluebeam Drawings, from the integration into your studio project, onto web, and onto the mobile experiences. So you'll see more information below on the page that you're on with some details about the pilot program and also some next steps on how to apply your project to the pilot program if you so choose. So thank you so much for your time today. Thanks, Emily.
Yeah, thank you all for joining us.
Take care.